test drive the 2018 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, air conditioning, front-wheel drive, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, compass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.